Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. My dear participant, our class has been suspended for pandemic coronavirus. That is why we are taking online class. So I request all of you to participate in my online class. Sitting at home, you can learn many things because our class is not held due to COVID-19. That is why we are taking online class. So all of you, I request to join my class and try to understand what topics I am going to discuss. So no more talk. Now start our class. So let us go to whiteboard. My dear participant, now look what topics we are going to discuss. Sentence. Every day we use express our feeling and ideas. So in this sense, we use different kinds of sentences. So today's topics is sentence. What is called sentence? I hope you have idea. Before classes I have already discussed it. Now I am going to discuss sentence. Assertive, to imperative. My dear participant, it is very important class for you because every day we use different types of sentence in our daily life to express our ideas to others. That is why there are different types of sentences we use in our daily life. In early classes, this sentence is very useful for us. So I am going to discuss assertive to imperative sentence. At first, we have got idea about assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. At first, we see subject, verb plus object. Okay. This is assertive sentence. By following this structure, we can easily find out assertive sentence. For example, I am taking online class. Okay. This is assertive sentence. Subject plus verb plus object. Assertive sentence. How can we change assertive sentence to imperative sentence? At first we have should imperative sentence. Okay? Imperative sentence. What is called imperative sentence? Try to understand, my dear lovely viewer. Imperative sentence. A sentence which express our order, request, command, proposal, that is called imperative sentence. For example, let us join my online class. Okay. Let us join my online class. Imperative sentence. This sentence indicates proposal. Let us join my online class. Okay. My dear participant, I hope you got idea about imperative sentence. Imperative sentence I am going to discuss. Okay, my dear lovely viewer, and try to understand. We try to understand the character of imperative sentence. At first, imperative sentence structure. This sentence start one verb plus object, and another structure do not verb plus object, and another characteristics of imperative sentence add verb plus object, and then we can see let plus object 1 verb 1 plus object 2. Okay, if you follow the characteristics of imperative sentence, we can easily come from assertive to imperative sentence. So we can go one by one. My dear lovely viewer, take your khata and pen, try to write down. Okay, my dear lovely viewer, at first you follow my advice. You follow my advice. This sentence, assertive sentence, we can change it imperative sentence. How can we start? My dear participant, you to see the sentence start with you. You can change assertive sentence to imperative sentence. No need to write you. So you can write follow my advice. Follow my advice. Okay? You can easily change assertive to imperative sentence. I am telling again, if the sentence starts with you or second person, at the time of making imperative sentence, you no need to write subject you. Only follow my advice. Go there. Come here. In this way, we can make assertive to imperative sentence. Okay? If the sentence starts with you, and then you write down in this way. Okay? Thank you, my dear participant. I am going to another sentence for you to clarify. Okay? My dear participant, you do not make a noise. How can we write down? In the same way, but the sentence is negative. How can we write down? In the same way, no need to write you. We can start do not make a noise. Am I clear? Okay, we can write down do not make a noise. Okay, in this way we can make the sentence. If the sentence is negative, in this way we can make imperative sentence. Okay, my dear participant, now I am going to give you another example for you. Now, my dear participant, they go there. My dear participant, try to understand. Third person. If the sentence with third person at the time of making imperative sentence, we can write down then let plus let them third person or first person, we can start the sentence late. And when we see the subject they, objective case, then verb plus object. Am I clear? Okay. My dear participant, let turn into them as objective case, because you know let here verb, and after verb subject must objective form. Clear? Okay. My dear participant, if we see he goes there, he here also third person singular number, so he turn into him. He is a him. Okay. In this way, if you see she, her. Okay, my dear participant. Okay. Now I am going to give you another example. First person. I and we know this is first person. So we go to market. Okay. How can we change it? If we see first person I or we can change it at first. Let me or us go to market. Okay. In this way, you can change assertive sentence into imperative sentence. I give you the structure of imperative sentence: let plus object, verb plus object. Okay. In this way, you can easily any kinds of assertive sentence to imperative sentence. I hope you have got idea about assertive to imperative sentence. This is very important for any classes. My dear participant, if you see another sentence, now look, if the sentence start with, now look, you kindly help me. How can you change it? Or please they my dear participant, now you can write down kindly help me. Adverb, verb plus object. In this way, we can change any kinds of assertive sentence to imperative sentence. I hope you got idea about sentence, assertive to imperative sentence. My dear lovely viewers, I hope you got idea from my class. If you like my class, so like, share and comment to other friends so that they can watch my class and try to understand sitting at home. Okay, my dear lovely viewers, all of you, to your good health, I am closing my class. So till then, Allah Hafiz.